What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to look at the Nigel Sylvester Brick After Brick. Obviously, the drop was yesterday. Unfortunately, I was not able to hit on any raffles, and I took a big fat L on everything. I must have entered like 50 raffles, but nothing for your boys. So I ended up going the resale route. I got my pair on GOAT. And this is not going to be an in-depth review or anything like that because I know there's tons of videos on this shoe already on YouTube. Basically, we're just going to look at the shoe real quick. I'm going to point out some things for you guys. If you guys did go the resale route, just some things to look out for just so you guys are comfortable that you guys did get an authentic pair. So the first thing, when you get your shoe, you're going to feel the box, and the box is going to be textured. You're going to hear that noise when you run your hands over the box. When you open the box, you should see your shoes in two individual plastic bags, the strap around them, and inside the plastic bags, your shoes are going to be wrapped in paper. Your shoes should also come with 3 sets of laces, a red, an anthracite, and obviously the white laces that are already on them. So let's take out the shoe and see exactly what we're looking for. So as you see, it's in its own bag. It's got a YCM sticker on the bag. On each bag, they have a YCM sticker. Obviously, you guys know to look for the little lines in the YCM sticker just to make sure it's legit. So when you take the shoe out, it's going to be wrapped in paper. And this is the shoe. So when I did get the shoe in hand, I was a little surprised just how sail the caging and the netting is, because it doesn't really stand out on YouTube videos, but it is. It's got the aged look to it. As far as the leather quality, what I can compare this shoe to is the white cement 4s. It's just a little bit better than that as far as leather quality. When you wear them, do expect some creases to happen, but that's not a big deal. That's, it's supposed to happen to shoes. Wear your shoes, people, okay? Don't worry about the creasing. Some details on it on the back tab. You do have the little bike symbol. You have the little mini swoosh on the front. The leather hand tag, which is different and it looks great. On the back of the tongue, hopefully you guys can see this. It's going to say Jordan Biking Company 2017. The insole is going to be this. One's going to say Nigel Sylvester, and I believe the other one says Go on the other one. It's a dream cell, nothing fancy. And basically, what I always do when I always buy on GOAT or StockX or any other party like that, when I get the shoes, I do run them through another app just to make sure that they agree that the shoe is legit. And I did that, and my shoes were legit, so I'm happy about that. So I'm interested because I saw a lot of W's on YouTube and stuff like that, but I tell you, I tried everything and I didn't hit on anything. Sneakers was a big L for me. I'm curious to see if any of you guys were able to hit on any raffles or on sneakers. And if you didn't, are you going to buy resale? So my opinion right now on resale, if you were going to get them, I would say pull the trigger now or wait a week or two till people get their pairs in hand. The prices will go down a little bit, but I expect the prices after that to go up. We heard stock numbers previously. We heard 49,000. On Sneak, obviously that wasn't true. It was only like 28,000, and who knows if it was even that. And although there was a lot of raffles, a lot of stores raffling, I believe they did not get a lot of pairs either. So I think the most pairs were probably on the Nigel website, which I didn't hit on either. But let me know your thoughts about this shoe in the comment. I mean, a lot of people are saying sneaker of the year. I don't know, because we still got some heat coming out. I mean, we still have the Bread 4s at the end of the year, the Space Jam 11s. Obviously, we got Nigel, Shy Pinks, Tropical Pinks coming out next week. So I guess we'll wait and see. But I like the shoe. You know, it's got the comfortable SB4 shape, and I'm happy that I purchased it. So in the comments, let me know your thoughts. Please, if you have a chance, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Really appreciate it. So family, until the next one, peace.